So let's go through the E sus2. I'm going to play through the chord first. As you can hear, it's a nice full chord with all that bass ringing away. It's a really good chord to use if you just want to flavour up a couple of major chord segments. You can switch the sus2s in there, no problem, and it'll just give you an extra flavour, but you won't be playing anything wrong. So try that in some of your playing. So let's go through it. We want to play the open E at the top there. We want to play your first finger there on the 2nd fret on the A string. And then we play our 3rd finger up on the 4th fret on the D string. And then we play our 4th finger on the G string, also on the 4th fret. And then everything else is open. That's how you get this nice, beautiful, chiming sound. So we'll play it again. So what makes this chord what it is? Essentially, all we're doing is switching that major 3rd note for a 2nd note. And that gives you that suspended. So it's a major 2nd that we're adding. And that just gives you that flavour. So in this instance, we've got the E, the F sharp and the B, and that major 2nd note is that F sharp. I hope that's been useful. Make sure you head to the Fret Success website and join the free Fret Success Academy. You just put in a few details, scroll down the main page and you'll get there. See you next time.